The Euroclip offers a quick and flexible way of mounting all kinds of electrical conduits and comes in 6 different sizes.
Euroclips make it easy for you to add and combine different sides, directions and sizes. They're also easy to separate. It can be easily mounted with a number of smart accessories. The classic is the Europlug. It makes further adjustments possible. Just 2 Europlugs are sufficient to attach a whole row of Euroclips. Attaching pipes to the sides or under cable trays, it's all quick and easy. The Euro twist-on connector. It simply twists on. The EDV is suitable for elongated holes. The ESV for cable lines with round holes. The universal locking clip is the rounding off of the Euroclip in the truest sense. And this is the Euro shooting plate. It holds 1 or more Euroclips perfectly in place and also allows additional adjustments. The clamp ring safely holds the shooting plate to the shooting tool. Cable ties can also be used directly on the Euro shooting plate. The Euro shooting clip is ingenious. It fits perfectly on the shooting tool and is the mounting point for a number of Euroclips. Our fastest product is the Flexi Clip, for sure. It literally embraces conduit and saves many climbs up and down the ladder. Only a few drill holes hold a whole row of conduit. Flexi Clip comes in 5 different sizes, which is enough to fit all typical conduit dimensions. The quickest way to mount conduit onto plaster is to use a single plug clip.
To mount 2 conduits, you only need to drill 1 hole, with the double plug clip.
Does the conduit need to have a fixed distance from the wall or ceiling? The distance clamp makes this possible. Schnabl always helps saving time and cutting costs.